Heidi-ho, first grade, we're going to do how to regroup with subtracting practice. I am going to have the blocks here to remind us about regrouping the tens and the ones, but we're going to do all the work with paper and pencil. So that's what you're going to need, a piece of paper and a pencil or something to write with, and you're going to need to pause the video and write down these 4 problems. All right, go do it. Okay, we're going to start up here in the corner with 88 minus 49. Now let's think back to what the first step needs to be. We always want to start with the digits in the ones place. So we're going to do 8 minus 9. But wait, can we do 8 minus 9? We can't, because 8 is smaller than 9. So what do we need to do? We need to go next door. And we're going to borrow one of the 10s and trade it in for 10 ones. We're going to show it on our paper like this. I'm going to cross out the 8 10s because then I'll have 7 10s. And I'm going to cross out the 8 ones because I'm going to give myself 10 more. So I'm going to think 8 plus 10, and that's 18. Now we're going to go back to the ones place, and we should be able to subtract. 18 minus 9 is 9. And 7 minus 4 is 3. Hope this seems familiar from the other videos. Let's go to this problem. 95 minus 27. Let's go to the ones place. 5 take away 7. We can't do it. We don't have enough. So what are we going to do? We're going to go next door. And we're going to take one of the 10s and trade it in for 10 ones. So instead of having 9 10s, we're going to have 8 10s. And instead of having 5 ones, we're going to have 5 plus 10 ones, which is 15. Now, we're just going to start back again in the ones place. We need to do 15 minus 7, which is 8. And 8 minus 2, which is 6. Now remember, you can always pause the video and try and go through the steps and then watch and see if you did the steps in the right way. And if you get the same answer, good job. Give yourself a star or a smiley face. And if you didn't, just fix the work and be ready to go on to the next one. Here we go. 80 minus 34. We'll start in the ones place. 0 take away 4. We can't do it. We always go in this direction. Some people will think, oh, well, that's just 4. Nope, it's not. We have to think, if I have nothing, can I take 4 away? And I can't. So what are we going to do? We're going to go next door, and we're going to take one of the 10s and give ourselves 10 ones. So I don't have 8 10s anymore. I have how many? I have 7, right? Because it's 8 minus 1. And then I'm going to go back home, and I don't have 0 10s anymore. Or, oops, let me say that again. I don't have 0 1s anymore because I'm going to give myself 10. And now I have 10 ones, and I can subtract. 10 minus 4 is 6. And 7 minus 3 is 4. All right, one last one on this page. Let's see. We're doing 61 minus 19. And we're going to start in the ones place. And if we have 1, can we take 9 away? We can't do it. 1 is smaller than 9. So what are we going to do? We're going to go next door and we're going to take one of the 10s and trade it in for 10 ones. So we won't have 6 10s, we'll have 5 10s. And we won't have 1 1, we'll have 1 plus 10, which is 11 ones. 11 minus 9 is 2. 5 minus 1 is 4. All right, good job, first grade. Come back for practice number 2.